Hello mga ka-reels. Ngayon ay magre-repack ako ng wonton meat. So ilalagay lang natin sa bag upang maitabi sa freezer. At ito naman ang pork sasiu. Ginagamit ito sa fried rice at soup.
Together we'll face every brand new day. Every moment, every beat is a promise we'll always keep. From now until the
Ito
end
po
of
yung
time,
paa ng manok
I'll
na
be yours
niluluto
and you'll be
namin.
mine. I do forever
Kompleto na,
in the storm and
luto
every
na.
weather. With
So
eyes so blue, I see the
may
light in your eyes
kulay
shining
na,
through.
may
Hand in
lasa
hand we
na.
walk this way.
Ang kailangan
Together we'll
nito,
face
i-deep
every
fried mo
brand
na
new
lang
day.
siya.
Every moment,
So ang ginawa
every
ko,
beat
nire-repack ko siya
is a
bawat isa,
promise we'll
bawat
always keep.
order.
From
So
now
pag may
until the end
order,
of time,
ipo-pull out sa
I'll be
freezer.
yours and you'll be mine.
Tapos,
I do
i-deep fried siya.
forever through the storm
Pagkatapos,
and every
gumawa ko
weather.
ng
With you
fried
so
rice.
blue,
At
I
yan
see
ang
the light
ipatong
in
sa
your
ibabaw.
eyes shining through.
So ito
Hand
po
in hand we
yung
walk
chicken breast
this
na
way.
naka-slice
Together we'll
at
face every
naka-marinated
brand new
na.
day.
So
Every
ang ginagawa
moment,
ko
every
ay
beat
nilalagay ko sa
is a
plastic.
promise we'll always keep.
So
From now
pagkatapos
until the end
niyan,
of time,
ilalagay ko sa
I'll be yours and
freezer.
you'll be mine.
Tapos pag
I do
kailangan na,
forever
i-pull out siya a day
through the
before
storm and every
upang
weather.
magamit siya
With you
kinabukasan.
eyes so blue, I
Tapos,
see the
yun ang
light in
ginagamit
your
sa
eyes shining through.
pang-stir
Hand
fry.
in hand we walk
Tulad
this
ng
way.
chicken
Together we'll
lemongrass,
face every brand
chicken
new
with
day.
cashew nut,
Every moment,
chicken with
every
black bean
beat
sauce,
is a
chicken
promise
curry.
we'll always
So
keep.
yan po ang
From
ginagamit
now until
dyan.
the end of time,
Kaya
I'll
tapusin
be
ko lang
yours
ang
and you'll be mine.
pagbabalot
I do
upang